Let's crochet an easy laptop case. To start, we are using 2 colors of Bobilon t-shirt yarn and a 9mm hook. Grab both strands together, make a slip knot, and place it on your hook. Now, let's chain 20 stitches. Check the size against your laptop. Skip the first chain and start single crocheting all the way down the row. You can screenshot this photo right here. It has all our next steps. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Coming to the end of my round, now single crochet where you started. Once you finish one side, turn your work and repeat the same steps on the opposite side. This will naturally make your cover start growing upward in continuous rounds. Right here, we ran out of our first yarn color, so we are weaving in a small new ball to keep going. Now, finish this row to the end. From here, we continue crocheting for 2 full rows using only the brown yarn. For the final round, we single crochet into the back loops only to create a clean border. When you are happy with the height, cut the remaining yarn strand, secure your loop tight, and weave in your ends. Finally, for convenience, we attach yarn ties on both sides right in the center so the laptop won't slide out. Laptop case is done! Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bobilon channel.